Nakikiusap po kami sa mga adik, nagbebenta o gumagamit ng ipinagbabawal na gamot na kayo ay kusang sumuko.
For purposes of reporting, there are different ways of reporting drug personalities, like in the city. You can go directly to the police.
Okay.
That's what they would normally do. The one problem that has been encountered by our policemen is that not all po ng barangays would report. Kasi nga yung mindset, hindi pa naman magbabago na they still don't feel safe reporting these things. Or probably there are other considerations because one of the issues that were raised is that some drug personalities are family members or close neighbors. So, may mga alangan, pag-aalangan sa pag-render ng report. Nahuli mo sila, what about proving the case in court? So, we have to train the policeman on how to handle drugs cases. We had a seminar with all the investigators in the city's 11 stations. So, they were trained by the city fiscal's office. So, Fiscal Togonon proposed to the mayor that they will conduct this activity for all the police investigators to increase conviction rate. Kasi as of now, mababa masyado ang conviction rate. Because RA 9165 is very strict in terms of the chain of custody, hindi pwedeng ma-break, hindi din pwede yung mga illegal arrest. So, kapag nagkaroon kasi ng illegal arrest, wala na yung dismiss na yung kaso. We launched the anti-illegal drugs program of the City of Manila, where we inform all the punong barangays and barangay members that this is the drug affectation in the City of Manila. And then we explain to them, like, if Manila is affected and all the cities surrounding it are affected,